Recreational trampolines are a fun and exciting way for people of all ages to exercise and have a good time. There are many products available to choose recreational trampolines, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best recreational trampolines from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jumpzilla Trampoline 8 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet, 14 feet, 15 feet, 16-foot trampoline. Jumpzilla trampoline with enclosure and ladder is designed with innovative curved poles to ensure your child's safety. The product complies with ASTM F381-16 standard safety specification, providing the highest level of safety for your children. The trampoline is easy to install with clear and easy-to-follow installation instructions, and all parts are delivered in one single package for the fastest delivery. The frame is galvanized inside out, and the legs are powder-coated for extra protection against rust, providing a longer product life. It also includes luxury plastic-covered ladder for easy access and comfortable use. Number 2. Skywalker Trampoline Outdoor 15 feet. The Skywalker Trampoline's 12-foot jump and dunk trampoline with enclosure net is designed with safety and durability in mind. Its patented no-gap enclosure eliminates dangerous gaps between the enclosure net and the jumping surface, protecting children from pinch points and openings. The galvanized steel frame offers weather and rust resistance, and the reinforced T-sockets at each leg and enclosure joint increase frame stability. The trampoline is tested to 4 times the maximum recommended user weight of 200 pounds. Made in the USA with American steel, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty on the frame and a 1-year limited warranty on all other materials. Number 3. Zapapa 1,500 pounds weight capacity rectangle trampoline. Zapapa Gymnastics Trampoline is designed with patented no-gap technology, ensuring safety by seamlessly connecting the safety net with the jumping mat. The high weight capacity of 1,500 pounds allows for both kids and adults to enjoy various stunts like front flips and back flips without worry. Its enhanced stability design with 4 legs side by side provides superior support, preventing any risks of sides caving in. The longer net poles and durable hot dip galvanizing technology add extra safety and longevity. With CPC certification and ASTM standards compliance, Zapapa Gymnastics Trampoline offers unparalleled durability, safety, and fun for the whole family. Number 4. Zapapa Trampolines. Zapapa No-Gap Trampoline is designed with safety in mind, exceeding ASTM and TUV standards. The no-gap design minimizes hazards of hands or feet getting caught. The heavy-duty frame with hot-dip galvanizing technology ensures rust resistance and stability. The added slide feature and adjustable basketball hoops cater to all ages, offering a fun experience for kids and adults alike. Quality materials like the anti-UV jumping mat and high enclosure net prioritize safety and durability, providing a secure environment for all users. Number 5. Large Outdoor Trampoline. Lyramix Pumpkin Trampoline ensures your safety with curved poles and a 360-degree safety net, providing worry-free jumping. Elevate the fun with a comprehensive kit including ground stakes, a sprinkler, LED lighting, and a basketball set. The robust construction with 4 U-shaped legs offers stability for kids and adults. Enjoy the ultra-elastic trampoline with 72 large springs and a high-strength jumping mat for superior elasticity. Effortless assembly with a galvanized steel frame ensures continuous fun through all seasons.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.